Are your knees stiff, sore, or aching every day? What if the solution wasn't in your medicine cabinet, but in your kitchen? These 5 powerful foods can help reduce knee pain, naturally and effectively. Cherries, especially tart cherries, are rich in antioxidants called anthocyanins. These compounds actively fight inflammation and reduce joint pain. Several studies have shown that drinking tart cherry juice daily can ease the symptoms of osteoarthritis and improve joint mobility. Just 1 glass a day can make a noticeable difference. Fatty fish like salmon, sardines, and mackerel are loaded with omega-3 fatty acids. These healthy fats work to reduce joint stiffness and swelling. They also improve blood flow, which helps deliver nutrients to damaged cartilage. Including 2 servings of fatty fish each week can promote stronger and more flexible knees. Garlic is more than just a flavor booster, it contains a compound called diallyl disulfide, which may help prevent cartilage damage by limiting harmful enzymes. Its anti-inflammatory properties are well documented, and adding raw or lightly cooked garlic to your meals is an easy way to support long-term joint health. Broccoli is packed with sulforaphane, a plant chemical that can block enzymes known to damage joint cartilage. It also contains calcium, vitamin C, and vitamin K, all essential for maintaining strong bones and reducing the risk of joint problems. Whether steamed, stir-fried, or eaten raw, broccoli is a simple yet powerful addition to your diet. Walnuts are an excellent plant-based source of omega-3 fatty acids. They're also rich in antioxidants, which help fight inflammation throughout the body. Just a small handful of walnuts a day can reduce knee tenderness and support joint function, without any side effects. Taking care of your knees doesn't always require medication. Sometimes, the best remedies are already in your kitchen. Add these 5 foods to your daily meals and experience the relief that nature provides.